How do you request a bone mineral density? Hi, I'm Dr. Margie Egan, an endocrinologist with over 30 years of experience, and this is just between you and me with Dr. Margie. Well, if you're menopausal, you should just ask for one because it will be approved by your insurance. Well, what about those of us still who are not menopausal? We have a strong family history of osteoporosis, and we would like to know about our bone density before it gets to the osteoporotic range. This is tough because, as I said, providers, we all have different ways of taking care of people. And you have some who are very sticklers to the rules and regulations, and others like me who are a little bit loosey-goosey. And so with me, if I had a young, healthy woman or man, and they were having fractures, and I thought that they should not be having fractures at that time of their life. And I can give you an example. There was a young woman who was a soccer player, and she had numerous fractures in her feet from playing soccer. Now, she was not a competitive soccer player. I knew she played hard, but she wasn't competitive. And the other women on her team were not developing these fractures. So to me, what's going on that's causing this? And so I put that as a risk factor in her recommendation for a bone mineral density. So this is where you need to become your own advocate and ask for the bone mineral density. Listen to the reels, listen to the risk factors for having a low bone density, such as family history, which is the strongest one, having unusual fractures at an earlier age, and then requesting a bone mineral density. If your doctor still says no, if around town you ever see that they're offering these bone mineral densities where you just step on a platform and basically it's not as sensitive as a DEXA exam, those are usually about $60. If you can get that and that shows low bone density, you can bring that to your primary care physician, and then they should be able to use that result to then order a DEXA, which is the most sensitive way to measure your bone mineral density.